Algebra 2 dudes, let's get started on this. The height of a coconut falls from a tree and can be represented by the function h of t is equal to negative 16t squared plus 24. By the way, I'm on question 43 on that PDF document that I sent you. Where h of t is the height of the coconut in feet and t is in time in seconds. What is the initial height? All right, this one looks freaky because you've never really seen h of t is equal to negative t squared plus 24. But if I wrote it like this, then you guys wouldn't feel so bad, right? And just to let you know, and this is a side note, this is just on the side, this is actually a physics equation, and it originally comes from, don't write this down, if you haven't seen this particular equation, don't freak out, but it comes from this. All right? That's a physics thing. If you took physics, you'll know. This 16 is actually gravity, and that's why it's negative 16. Because gravity is actually 32 feet per second squared, but when I multiply it by 1/2, it becomes 16. And the reason why it's negative is because gravity points down. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Forget all of this stuff. Just think of it like this. If I'm asking you, what is the initial height or the initial y value? Yeah, exactly. You would say 24. I mean, look at this. This is a parabola we know. This is a stretched out parabola, stretched vertically 16, flipped upside down, and pushed up to a height of 24. Basically, you know what this situation is? This is me standing on a 24-foot ladder, or 20-foot tall wall, and kicking a pebble out that way. Whoop. And it pulls down with an acceleration of negative 16. Because as we said before, that's gravity. So you'll probably see something like this. And don't freak out because it's the same thing as a parabola. Got it? And that's it. So we know the y-intercept is 24. And another thing too is what they said was, what is the initial height? And whenever they say initial height, you're thinking, oh, that's when time equals 0. So all you got to do is plug in time, which we changed the label to x, equals 0. If x equals 0, that's 0, negative 16 times 0, that thing gets killed, and I really just have plus 24. Questions, comments, concerns, vomits, etc.? Nope. Nothing hard about that. I'm going to move on. Okay, let's see. I think the reason why they did that one